Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to connect wireless headphones to a TV. This will be an easy tutorial with step-by-step instructions, so let's get right into the video. So essentially, if you have wireless headphones like this, like these right here, or like this, doesn't matter how you want to say it, and you want to connect these wireless headphones to a TV, this is the video for you. Now, these are actually wireless headphones that are designed to be connected to a TV. They are specifically for TV. It says it on the packaging, and it says it as part of the product name and so forth. But you can pretty much use many other types of wireless headphones with the TV, as long as you have the correct transmitter that will transmit the signal to your headphones. So essentially, first and foremost, you want to make sure your headphones are paired up with the transmitter. I think these are backwards, actually. They go like this. So you want to make sure your headphones are paired up to the transmitter. Once you know that your headphones are paired up to the transmitter and they're working properly, then you can connect the transmitter to the TV. Now let me take these off and I'll tell you how this works. On the transmitter, okay, the transmitter takes the audio signal, the sound, and it sends it to the headphones. So you need to get the TV's audio sound signal to the transmitter. There are wires on the back of your transmitter, most likely, and I'm demonstrating these instructions with this right here. This is the Sennheiser, I believe it's called the RS125. This is the Sennheiser RS125 wireless headphones. They're meant for TV, but it's all going to be very similar. It's going to be a very similar process with all types, okay? So essentially, on the back, you're going to find some wires. You're most likely going to find a power cable. So that's going to have to be plugged in, obviously. But what you need to do to connect it to the TV is you need these wires over here, okay? Now, these are what I like to call RCA wires. I don't know if that's the correct way to say them, but that's what I call them. Now, there's a red one and a black one. You might also see a red one and a white one. It all depends. But essentially, both of these will allow you to have stereo sound. One of them, I don't remember which one can be used individually. I think this one, the black or the white one, depending on what color it is out of the packaging. Usually it's white, but sometimes it can be black. It depends on what color they've designed it as. I think generally when there's video involved, it's a white cable. And when it's just audio, it's a black cable. But it can be either color. But I think this one alone, it will give you mono sound, which is just out of your left ear, the left earphone. And then this one together will give you stereo, which is left and right together, okay? But basically, you're going to plug these in to the audio output on your TV. Now, not to be mistaken, on the TV, there's an audio input with a video input where you can plug something in like a video game system or a DVD player with these and a yellow cable together, and that sends video to the TV. You want to take the audio from the TV. So from the TV, where the TV has an audio output, you want to plug these into the audio output of the TV. The TV is outputting audio to these cords, which is sending the audio to this transmitter, which is sending the audio to your headphones. And that's it. You turn it on, you turn the headphones on, and that's it. You need to plug these into the audio output of the TV. Now, let's say your TV doesn't have an audio output with these over here. Let's just say it has an audio output that looks like a regular headphone jack. So you want to do that, right? You get one of these bad boys. And look at what I said. Red and white instead of red and black. Exactly what I said. It comes either way, okay? So just understand that. So I'm going to plug this black one, which can also be white, into this port over here. And then the red one's always going to be red. You're going to plug it in over here. And now guess what? You can plug this in to the headphone jack audio output of your TV. But let's say, just for instance, there's more. You know, it's like it has seen on TV. But wait, there's more. Let's say your TV doesn't have this. It's got a bigger one. This is called a 3.5 millimeter. This is called a 1/4 inch. Let's say your TV has the bigger style headphone jack. Well, guess what? There's an adapter for that too. We got a triple adapter over here. So give this a triple thumbs up, okay? This piece of content, this video. You can plug this in like this, and you can plug this into the TV. So you can really, adapt to whatever audio output your TV has. You just have to have the right pieces to make it work. But that's essentially it. That is essentially how to connect wireless headphones to a TV. An easy tutorial with step-by-step instructions. I've shown you how to do it, and I've sort of told you the ways. I'm sorry that I couldn't do it in front of a TV, but the TV that I had in my house that I was going to bring in the car, like the one I wasn't going to take the family room TV out because my wife's home on her maternity leave. And essentially, I don't want to, disturb her like way that she works and her daily schedule, daily routine, blah, 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 the babies, blah, 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 what they do. So I was going to take our bedroom TV out, but unfortunately, I was going to bring it in the car and do it in the car. But unfortunately, that doesn't have an audio output. So I just, I figured I'd explain it. It's easy enough that you can understand it just with my words, hopefully. And my crazy antics and actions and stuff like that. Anyways, that's how to connect wireless headphones to a TV. An easy tutorial with step-by-step instructions. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.